All right, friends, we have been talking a little bit about homophones, so we are going to put it into practice right now. So what you guys need to do is to create at least 4 sentences that have a homophone in them. You can use your spelling words for your list of homophones, or if you have your own homophone that you know, then you can use that as well. So remember that there's like hair, hair, fur, fur, bear, bear. There's lots of different homophones that you could use. Remember, they sound the same, but they mean something different and they're spelled something different. So if I were creating my sentence, and you can't use this one, I might say the squirrel was itching his fur while he stood by the fir tree. And that's one of my sentences. So I used fur and fur as my homophones. Okay, so I made a sentence with 2 homophones in it. So that's what you're going to do, and you're going to make 4 sentences that have homophones in them. Okay, so remember that there are things like bear, bear, hair, hair. Can't use fur, fur, there, there. And there's also another there. You could also do something like hour, hour. Oh my goodness. And I could add hair. I'm trying to think of more. There are lots more that you can use. If you come up with your own, then that's perfect. If you can only use these examples that I put on there, that's fine. Remember, you can come back to the video and look at these different examples. I don't know why I'm drawing a blank right now. Oh, there's right, right. Blue, blue, deer, deer, ant, ant. Okay, so there's some more for you too as well. So 4 sentences that have to have at least 2 homophones in each, just like I did right here in the first sentence. Do not use fur and fur because I already used that one. So you need to come up with 4 sentences using one of these or one that you know in your brain. All right, get to work.